Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Bolt application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your phone number along with the verification code. Once you have been logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your phone number, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From this page, tap on the My Account option and then tap on Personal Info. Now within this page, you will see your phone number, alongside which there is also an edit button. Tap on this button and proceed forward with entering your phone number along with the country code. You can then use your SMS or WhatsApp for verification. Tap on either one of these options and then tap on Continue. And once you enter the verification code that has been sent to you by SMS or into your WhatsApp, within this screen, your phone number will be changed on your Bolt account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on the Bolt application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.